force and motion.
Mommy, what does this device tell us?
Ah, that is a speedometer.
What is a speedometer?
It is a device that measures speed.
What is speed, Mommy?
Speed is the measure of how fast or how slow the object moves. It tells you the distance covered by an object over a period of time.
So if the reading in the speedometer is low, the speed of the car is slow?
Right, Ellie?
Wow, that's cool. Mommy, the news says that the typhoon is moving 50 kilometers per hour northwest. Does that refer to the speed of the typhoon?
Ellie, that refers to the velocity of the typhoon.
But Mom, you said earlier that speed is the measure of how fast or how slow an object is.
That's right, but you mentioned a direction.
A direction? You mean northwest?
Right. Speed is a scalar quantity which describes only a magnitude. If you are describing both magnitude and direction, that is a vector quantity. 50 kilometers per hour northwest is not a speed, it's a velocity. Velocity is the displacement of an object per unit of time. Displacement indicates the final magnitude from the starting point of the object being described and its direction with reference to the point where it started.
Mommy, today our teacher explained the difference between speed and velocity. I told her that we talked about that last week. She taught us today how to graph velocity.
Really? Can you tell me how to graph the velocity of objects?
She told us that we have to assign displacement on the x-axis of the graph and time on the y-axis of the graph.
And then?
Then, we plot our data. We mark the intersection where the values of displacement and time covered meet.
Right.
An upcurved graph means that the velocity is increasing. A downcurved graph means decreasing velocity. And a straight graph means constant speed or not in motion.
Wow, you learned a lot today, Ellie.
It is because I'm really interested in learning the motion of objects.
That is good. Keep it up, Ellie.